Dear colleagues, we all understand that for every lady, our fashion, her lips is one of the most important area on the face. And not just lips, but also perioral area. And when we are working with perioral area, when we are trying to rejuvenate it, we have to use the very special device called Pluryal Silk. Injecting Pluryal Silk with the help of small needle into the perioral area, we can rejuvenate it, we can make it younger, we can make it better, and this will have the influence on all the area, including also lips.